In this video, we are going to talk about mastering personal finance, top tips for financial success. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Finances are the key to success in any endeavor, and mastering your finances is essential to achieving financial success. Being financially successful requires discipline, planning, and hard work, but it can be done. You can become financially secure and successful with the right knowledge and habits. Below, we explain how to be financially successful with these 12 tips. Number 12, create a budget. No matter your financial success or security level, creating a budget is essential. Budgets are the key to keeping track of your finances and staying within certain limits. Decide on a budget that works for you and make sure you stick to it. Track your spending and ensure it is within your budget's limits. When creating a budget, factor in all your monthly expenditures, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and loan payments. Don't forget about short-term and long-term savings goals. As you create your budget, leave some wiggle room for unexpected expenses. If you need help creating a budget, many online tools and apps are available to help you get started. You can also consult a financial advisor to help create a budget and make informed financial decisions. Number 11, invest wisely. To become successful financially, it is important to invest your money wisely. Investing can help you grow your wealth and establish a secure financial future. When making investments, it is important to research the different options and understand how they work and any associated risks. Some of the most common investments include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and cryptocurrencies. Pay attention to changes in the market and be sure to diversify your investments across different types of assets. It will help you minimize your risk and maximize your potential rewards. Number 10, reduce debt. Another key to financial success is reducing and eliminating debt. If you are burdened with high debt levels, it can be hard to progress with your financial goals. Start by planning to pay off your debts as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating your debt into one monthly payment, if possible. Doing so can help keep you organized and on a repayment timeline. Additionally, you can research ways to save money in interest payments, such as taking advantage of low-interest balance transfers. Paying off debt can be difficult, but securing your financial future is an important step. Take the time to create a plan and stick with it. You will be rewarded as you start to chip away at your debt. Number 9, set financial goals. Creating financial goals is a great way to progress toward your desired future. Financial goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Start by making a list of your short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals can be achieved relatively quickly, such as in 1 year or less. They include paying off credit card debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals may take longer, such as saving for a down payment on a house or retirement. These goals require more planning and dedication, but the rewards will be worth it. Once you have set your financial goals, create a plan to achieve them. Break down each goal into small, achievable steps and create a timeline for completion. This will help to keep you on track as you strive to reach your goals. Number 8, build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time, so it is important to have an emergency fund in place. This fund will provide financial security and peace of mind in an emergency. The amount of your emergency fund will depend on your situation. Generally speaking, saving enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses is recommended. Building an emergency fund can be difficult but essential for financial security. Start small and increase your contributions as you are able. Easy ways to save for your emergency fund include setting up automatic transfers, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and selling unwanted items or taking on a side hustle. Number 7, stay educated on personal finance. It is important to stay educated and informed about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, or take online classes to learn more about budgeting, investing, and other aspects of personal finance. This can help to give you the knowledge and confidence you need to make smart financial decisions. Additionally, many online tools and resources are available to help you stay on top of your finances. Consider signing up for a budgeting or money tracking app to track your expenses and monitor progress towards your financial goals. Some common lessons to learn about personal finance include the importance of budgeting, ways to save money, types of investments, and how they work. the benefits of reducing debt, building an emergency fund, and creating a financial plan. Number 6. Build up your credit score. A good credit score is essential for many financial goals, such as buying a car or house. A good credit score indicates that you are a responsible borrower and can be trusted to pay your debts on time. Start by understanding what makes up your credit score and how it is calculated. Most credit scores are based on 5 components: payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit applications, and types of credit used. Take steps to improve your credit score by paying bills on time, managing credit limits and utilization, avoiding new applications, and diversifying the types of credit used. Number 5. Pay your bills on time. Making sure your bills are paid on time is essential for maintaining good financial health. It can also help to keep you from accruing costly late fees or interest charges. Set up a system to remind yourself of upcoming payments and budget them in advance. You can also set up payment reminders for yourself on your phone or calendar. This will help you stay organized and ensure your bills are paid promptly. Number 4. Plan for retirement. Retirement planning is an important aspect of personal finance that should not be overlooked. Start by understanding the types of retirement accounts available, such as traditional or Roth IRA, 401, and 403 bits. Depending on your situation, you may want to consider opening multiple accounts to maximize savings. Once you have determined the best option, decide how much of your income you should save for retirement. Number 3. Create additional sources of income. Creating additional sources of income is a great way to boost your financial health. Consider taking on side jobs or freelancing opportunities in addition to your day job. This can help increase your earning potential and give you more money toward other financial goals. You can also start a business that can generate more income. Research different types of businesses and determine which ones are most likely to be successful in your area. For your business to be successful, you may need to invest in marketing, advertising, or other elements. Consider the business's costs and ensure you have enough capital to cover them. Number 2. Utilize insurance. Insurance can help protect you from potential financial losses due to unexpected events. Depending on your situation, you may want to consider different types, such as life, health, disability, and homeowners insurance. Carefully research the options available and ensure that the policies you are considering are right for your needs. When it comes to insurance, ensure you are only paying for what you need. Do not be tempted by policies that offer more coverage than you require. Number 1. Leverage financial management software. Financial management tools can help simplify personal finance and make it easier to stay on top of your finances. Many different types of software are available. Some are free, while others may require a subscription fee. Look for software that offers features like budgeting, bill tracking, and expense tracking. This can help you stay organized and ensure all your financial information is in one place. Most tools also offer reporting features so you can track your progress over time. You should also consider integrating the software with other financial accounts to make it easier to manage your money. For example, if you have multiple bank accounts, you can link them together so that all your transactions are visible in one place. This can help you save time and make it easier to stay on top of your finances. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.